How to install Python 3.14.0. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Python 3.14.0. So this is a new version, and if you want to download it, this video is for you. Now, without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, open up a web browser and search for download Python 3.14.0 and search for that. And you'll find the website by Python themselves. You will see python.org/downloads. You can head over to this download Python option. Then you'll be on this section right here. After you're here, just hover over the downloads option. There you'll find Python 3.14.0. Press on it and the download should begin right here. So after your Python has been downloaded, you can check it out from here. Tap on the download option on the top right of your browser. Then press on the Python downloaded file. Then it should open up the installation process. So there you can see. Now you can then start with install now. Tap on install now. You can see the file location where it will get installed. Then it should start installing. So there you can see the setup was successful and you're good. You can tap on the close button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.